of course, the remarkable young woman in the first journey into adulthood. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, please join me with warm round of applause as I introduce to you the family. Ayan na ba? Andyan na ba? There you go. Doktora ngayon, wala pong Jayhan, wala pong May. And smile, please. Alright. Ladies, celebrate with joy, laughter, and memories. She has ladies and gentlemen. One more. There you go. Alright, marami. Yung ba yung binigay na treasure?
Baga, nagka-clash mga ulo. Pero, sige, ano pala ito, mag-aaway. Basta nila.
Kabanda mo naman, mag-birthday na maabot.
Alright, next we have Ma'am Giselle Pacaanas. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. And we have Ma'am Crescentia.
That, you're gonna be...
Ako na ni promise. Gcash na lang.
Happy birthday. Susumatan ko ikaw, mas stress ka ay walang kapalit. Tahimik ang bata. Sinabi kong may gulat.
Maraming salamat sa tula. Pagos sa puso. Natin mama. Ayan, remember. Pamangkin daw ba yan? Or pinsan na nandito na members ng LGBT? Introduce pa natin sa community. Huwag na, and family. Shirley. Kaya mo ko ng isang mic kasi habang piniplay yung video, may kakanta daw. Yung pangalan ito. Sige. Sandali, hindi pa na ako off.
Tawagin natin si Doc.
Mother and daughter moment. Wow, very. Yung mga kaibigan at friends, baka naman. Go! One! Hiday at saka si Yogis. Alright, sige, anong music? Anong...
Adik, tuyo.
Friends,